Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing Article 163, or Making and Importing and Uttering False Coins. Making and importing and uttering false coins. Under Article 163, the crime of making and importing and uttering false coins is committed by any person who makes, imports, or utters false coins in connivance with counterfeiters or importers. Ito ay isang krimen na nagagawa ng kahit sino, nagagawa, mang-aangkat, o pagbigay ng peke o palsong barya, kasabwat ang taong nagpeke o nang angkat dito ng pekeng barya. Ang krimeng ito ay may tatlong elements. 1. That there be false or counterfeited coins. 2. That the offender either made, imported, or uttered such coins. And 3. That in case of uttering such false or counterfeited coins, he connived with the counterfeiters or importers. Discuss natin yung tatlong elements. First element, that there be false or counterfeited coins. What do we mean by counterfeiting? Counterfeiting means the imitation of a legal or genuine coin such as to deceive an ordinary person in believing it to be genuine. A coin is false or counterfeited if it is forged or if it is not authorized by the government as legal tender, regardless of its intrinsic value. Ang counterfeiting ay paggaya sa tunay na coins na kayang paniwalain ang ordinaryong tao na ito ay tunay. Kung wala ka ding pahintulot na gumawa ng coins, considered din itong counterfeit o pekeng coins. Kahit gawa yung barya sa gold o mas mahal na material, considered pa rin itong peke. Take note, if the imitation is so imperfect that no one was deceived, the felony cannot be consummated. Unang tingin mo pa lang, alam mo ng peke or very obvious na peke siya, hindi makukumit yung crime under Article 163. Anong coin ba yung tinutukoy natin dito? Legal tender ba o kahit yung mga wala na sa circulation? The answer is both are included. This article mentions coin without any qualifying words such as current or legal currency. Kinds of coins, the counterfeiting of which is punished. First, silver coin of the Philippines or coins of the Central Bank of the Philippines. Second, coins of the minor coinage of the Philippines or of the Central Bank of the Philippines. Third, coins of the currency of a foreign country. Second element, that the offender either made, imported, or uttered such coins. So, yung offender ay gumawa, nag-import o nag-angkat dito sa ating bansa o nagbigay sa iba ng peke o palsong barya. Ano ba yung utter? Utter means to pass counterfeited coins, deliver, or give away. Example, ginamit mo itong pambayad sa binili mo sa sari-sari store. What about import? Import means to bring into the Philippine ports any false or counterfeited coins. Sa importation, it shows na yung coin ay pineke sa ibang bansa. Dito sa part na ito, hindi yung nanggaya o nagpeke ang pinaparusahan, kundi yung nagpapasok dito sa ating bansa ng peking coins o barya. Paano naman yung nag-counterfeit outside the country? Hindi ba siya liable? Liable din po siya by virtue of Article 2, Subdivision 2 of the Revised Penal Code, which is forging or counterfeiting any coin or currency note of the Philippine Islands or obligations and securities issued by the government of the Philippine Islands. Article 2 speaks about the extraterritorial application of the Revised Penal Code. Third element, that in case of uttering such false or counterfeited coins, he connived with the counterfeiters or importers. Ang liable po sa crime na ito ay any person, provided nakasabwat niya yung counterfeiters or importers. Paano naman kung hindi niya kasabwat? He or she will be liable under Article 165 and not under Article 163. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.